Let me ask you something that most men think about but rarely talk about. What happens if you ejaculate every day? Is it good for you, bad for you, or does it drain your energy over time? If you've ever wondered about this, you're not alone. I get asked this question all the time by men of all ages. It's one of those topics that's surrounded by myths, half-truths, and even a little guilt, but it's essential when it comes to your health, relationships, and confidence. Today, we're breaking the silence. I'm Dr. Ada James, a board-certified urologist with over 10 years of experience helping men take control of their sexual and overall health. In this video, I'll cover the 5 surprising benefits of ejaculating daily, the 5 potential downsides, and, most importantly, how to figure out what's right for your body and your health. By the end of this video, you'll have clear, confident answers with no shame or confusion. But first, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing this global community grow, and while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe. Every week, we dive into honest conversations about men's health, no topic off limits. Think of this as a conversation between friends. I'm here to help you understand what's happening in your body so you can make informed decisions without falling for myths or fear-based thinking. Now, let's go over the 5 surprising benefits of ejaculating every day, and then we'll touch on the 5 key drawbacks you should be aware of. Benefit number 1. Pleasure hormones and mood regulation. Have you ever noticed how relaxed you feel after? That's no coincidence. When you ejaculate, your brain releases a powerful mix of chemicals: endorphins, your body's natural painkillers; dopamine, the motivation chemical; oxytocin, the bonding hormone; and serotonin, which helps keep your mood stable. Biologically, this helps reset your nervous system. Emotionally, it can calm anxiety, lift your mood, and keep you more grounded. Practically, it means less tension, fewer outbursts, and a better overall sense of resilience. A daily release acts like a natural reset button, not a fix-all, but a steady support for mental health. Benefit number 2, better sleep. Ever feel heavy-eyed after sex or self-pleasure? That's due to prolactin, a hormone that helps you relax and drift off to sleep. Pair that with the stress-busting endorphins and oxytocin, and you've got a natural sleep aid. For men who struggle with stress, racing thoughts, or mild insomnia, this can mean falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. Biologically, it's all about hormones. Emotionally, it's the relief of getting a solid night's rest. Practically, it leads to better recovery, sharper focus, and more energy the next day. Benefit number 3, improved blood flow and circulation. Orgasm isn't just a mental event, it's a full-body workout. When you're aroused, your blood vessels dilate, heart rate increases, and circulation gets a serious boost. This helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your muscles, brain, and skin. Biologically, it's like giving your vascular system a mini workout. Emotionally, it improves confidence by enhancing erection quality. Practically, it supports a healthy cardiovascular system, something many men overlook. Benefit number 4, lower risk of prostate cancer. Biologically, this means a stronger defense against illness. Emotionally, it gives you peace of mind. Practically, it's another reason why sexual health is such an important part of overall wellness. But let's be honest, daily ejaculation isn't without its potential downsides. For some men, it can backfire. Here are the 5 biggest drawbacks to watch out for. Drawback number 1, compulsive behavior. There's a big difference between a healthy habit and an unhealthy compulsion. If you're choosing daily ejaculation for pleasure, stress relief, or intimacy, that's fine. But if the urge starts controlling you, interfering with your work, relationships, or focus, it's crossing into compulsive territory. Biologically, this rewires your reward system. Emotionally, it leads to guilt and shame. Practically, it drains your time, focus, and can even affect intimacy with your partner. the key question to ask yourself: am I choosing this, or is it choosing me? Drawback number 2. Using ejaculation as an emotional crutch. We all face stress, boredom, loneliness, and sadness. But if ejaculation becomes your go-to method of coping, it could be covering up deeper emotional issues. Biologically, it creates a reliance on one way to find relief. Emotionally, it prevents real healing. Practically, it stops you from building healthier coping strategies, like exercise, journaling, or therapy. Ejaculation should be one tool in your toolbox, not the only one. Drawback number 3. Lower sperm count when trying to conceive. If you're not trying for children, this isn't an issue. But for men trying to conceive, daily ejaculation can lower sperm concentration. Sperm need time to replenish, usually 48 to 72 hours. Emotionally, this can cause stress for couples struggling with fertility. Practically, spacing out ejaculations every 2 to 3 days during conception efforts can improve your chances. It's not about total abstinence, but about being strategic. Drawback number 4. Reduced sensitivity or desire. Here's the surprising truth. Too much of anything can actually dull your experience. Ejaculating daily, especially when it becomes routine or rushed, can reduce sensitivity and lessen spontaneous desire. Your brain adapts over time, dampening the effect of dopamine, the chemical responsible for pleasure. Emotionally, this can leave you feeling flat or unmotivated. Practically, it might mean less arousal with your partner. The good news is that taking short breaks, even just a few days, can reset your sensitivity and bring back that spark. Drawback number 5. Performance issues from rushed sessions. If you're rushing through quick, repetitive releases, your body starts to condition itself to speed rather than rhythm. Over time, this can lead to premature ejaculation or even performance anxiety. Biologically, your nervous system gets used to sprinting rather than pacing. Emotionally, it creates frustration for both you and your partner. Practically, it chips away at your confidence in the bedroom. The fix? Slow down. Practice edging, focus on breath control, or use mindful stimulation. Train your body to find rhythm, not just release. So, what's the bottom line? Daily ejaculation isn't automatically good or bad. The key is understanding why you're doing it. Is it for stress relief, pleasure, intimacy, or out of habit? How does it make you feel? More confident, better sleep, or tired and flat? Does it align with your goals? If you're trying to conceive, should you adjust the frequency? Practical tips. Pay attention to your body. Track how you feel. Energy, mood, libido. Experiment. Try daily and see how you feel. Space it out and see what works best for you. The goal is balance. Make sexual release one part of your overall wellness, not the sole focus. Communicate with your partner, if you have one. And don't ignore any changes in erection quality, pain, or prostate health. Those are worth getting checked. If you've felt shame, confusion, or fear around this topic, you're not alone. Sexual health is part of overall health, and asking these questions doesn't make you weak or strange. It makes you wise. The more you understand your body, the more control and freedom you gain. Here's the truth. Ejaculating every day can be healthy, or it can show you need to adjust. It's not about strict rules, it's about being self-aware. The most empowering part? You have the power to make changes. Small adjustments, like taking breaks, slowing down, or using intimacy to connect rather than escape, can boost your energy, confidence, and control. Age doesn't mean the end of vitality. Whether you're 30, 50, or 70, your body can adapt, your health can improve, and your confidence can grow. Keep learning, keep listening to your body, and keep building the life that gives you freedom and strength. I'm Dr. Ada James. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more men's health tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. This community matters to me. Remember, your body is worth understanding, Your health is worth protecting, and your vitality is worth fighting for. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.